Hi, good afternoon. I'm here in El Fisher Hotel, Bacolod City. We are now one of the signing MUA TBI from Mr. Kuya Romel Padrilla.
Pardilla.
So now, Kuya Romel, bakit ka sumama sa TFK Elite na gusto mong magtumulong? Bakit ka nakipag-partner sa TFK Elite?
Ay, good afternoon po sa lahat na nanonood ng video na to. Ako nga po pala si Romel Pardilla from Bacolod City, and our advocacy with my partners with here sa TFK is to help, number one, sa mga students na willing na mag-learn and pangarap na maging maganda yung buhay in the future. So it's our privilege, and we are so lucky na nakilala namin yung TFK through kay Tita Chu, and sa advocacy na ganito, our mission and vision is to help sa mga batang nangangailangan ng tulong din namin. So yun, hopefully na ito yung start ng pagiging advocacy na yun na makatulong sa ibang bata na less fortunate, and hopefully to see them for a better future.
So, Kuya Romel, are you willing to a partnership in our TFK Elite, TFK Corporation? Now, here in Bacolod, ano bang gusto mong course?
As of now, it's our pleasure na to be a part of the TFK. Yung course na gusto namin i-contribute sa community, especially sa mga students, is more on computers and website creations, and at kung ano pang pwede naming i-open up in future courses, we are willing to help for a better future.
So, Kuya Romel, we look forward our partnership from the TFK Elite, our Board of Trustees, from the family. We are now second family from TFK Elite. Now let's give a hands for the congratulations. Thank you so much.